My name is Lilish. In today's tutorial, I will show you step by step how to crochet this cute plushie octopus, perfect for beginners. Free pattern, details, and links to the materials are in the description below. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit like, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss future projects. Let's get started.
One skein of plush yarn in bright multicolors. I am using Baby Bee Adorable Sprinkle number 5. A 7mm hook for a nice even tension on this bulky fluffy yarn. Scissors, stitch markers, and a piece of craft yarn to mark rounds. Tapestry needle to waving ends and attach parts. Create a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your finger to form a loop. Insert the hook into the loop. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Chain 1. Then work 8 single crochet stitches into the ring. After your 8 single crochet, pull the tail to close the ring tightly. Round 2. Position your scrap yarn marker. We will increase in every stitch. Work 2 single crochets into each stitch around. After completing this, you will have 16 stitches in total. Round 3. We will increase every other stitch. That means work 1 increase, 2 single crochets in the next stitch, then 1 single crochet in the following stitch. Repeat that pair around 8 times. This brings you stitch count to 24. Round 4. We will increase every third stitch. That means 2 single crochets in the next 2 stitches, then an increase, meaning 2 single crochets in the following stitch. Repeat this sequence 8 times around. You will go from 24 stitches up to 32. Round 5. Increase every 4 stitches. Work 1 increase, 2 single crochets in the next stitch, follow by 3 single crochets in the next 3 stitches. Repeat that 8 times. Your total will be 40 stitches. Round 6 through 10. Work 1 single crochet in each stitch around for 5 rounds. That means 40 single crochets each round. This builds height without changing stitch count. If you want a smooth curve, maintain consistent tension. Count 20 stitches and mark the center. On round 7, this is a good time to insert safety eyes. Position them now, spacing them evenly. After inserting eyes, continue crocheting around as usual. Round 11. Begin decreases. We will do an invisible decrease every 4 stitches. That means work 3 single crochets, then 1 invisible decrease. Work into the front loop of the next 2 stitches and repeat that sequence 8 times. This reduces the stitch count from 40 to 32. Round 12. Work 32 single crochets around, 1 in each stitch, maintaining the count at 32. This helps shape evenly before further decreases. Round 13. Decrease again. We will do 1 invisible decrease, then 2 single crochets. Repeat 8 times. So, invisible decrease across 2 stitches, then work 2 single crochets in the next 2 stitches and repeat around. This brings the count from 32 down to 24. Round 14. Work 24 single crochets around, 1 in each stitch. Once you finish this round, stop crocheting for a moment and add stuffing. Fill the piece firmly but not so much that stitches stretch. Even stuffing ensures your shape holds nicely. Round 15. Continue decreasing. Work 1 single crochet, then 1 invisible decrease, and repeat this pair 8 times. This reduces from 24 stitches to 16. Round 16. Final decreases. Work an invisible decrease in each pair of stitches around. So 8 invisible decreases total. This brings the count down to 8 stitches. After the last decrease, cut the yarn, leaving a tail long enough to thread through remaining stitches. Weave in the end securely. Next, we will crochet 4 spiral tentacles to attach to our piece. Make a magic ring and work 10 single crochets. After your 10th single crochet, pull the tail to close the ring tightly. You now have 10 stitches in the round. Work a slip stitch in the back loop only for each stitch around. Continue working in continuous spiral rounds until you complete 7 rounds.
Now it is time to add stuffing to our tube. Hold the tube in one hand and gently push a small amount of fiber fill inside with your hook or fingers. I like to use my crochet hook to push the filling all the way to the bottom and evenly distribute it, avoiding large lumps. Begin with a slip knot on your hook, then chain 11. Next, we will work 3 single crochets into each chain, starting in the second chain from the hook. That means we skip the first loop and insert the hook in chain 2, crocheting 3 single crochets into the same chain stitch. Then we move to the next chain and work another 3 single crochets, and continue until we have worked until all 10 remains chain. This gives you a total of 30 stitches. Twist the curl slightly along its length. This helps the coil nest neatly. Time to clean up and start attaching. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss future tutorials and free patterns. Happy crocheting!